Hi children, this is Kumar, mathematics teacher, grade 7. The next property is distributive property. For any integers a, b and c, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is for multiplication distributes over addition. For example, is 10 into 6 plus of minus 2 is equal to 10 into 6 plus 10 into minus 2. Now we have to find first left hand side. So what is the left hand side? 10 into 6 plus of minus 2. Now 10 into 6 plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus 2. Now 10 into 6 positive integer and negative integer. So different sign we have to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 10 into 4. 10 4 is 40. So the left hand side value is 40. What is the right hand side? 10 into 6 plus 10 into minus 2. So 10 into 6. 10 6 are 60 plus 10 into minus 2. The product of positive integer and negative integer is negative integer. So 10 2s are 20. So the minus 20. The next one 60 plus into minus is minus 20. 60 minus 20 is a different sign. We have to subtract biggest number to smallest number. So 60 minus 20 is 40. So now left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 10 into 6 plus of minus 2 is equal to 10 into 6 plus 10 into minus 2. Then for any three integers a, b and c, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is for multiplication distributes over subtraction. For example, is minus 8 into 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8 into 6 minus minus 8 into 2. First we find left hand side. What is the left hand side? Minus 8 into 6 minus 2. So minus 8, 6 minus 2, 6, one number is positive, another one number is negative. So subtract biggest number to smallest number. 6 minus 2 is 4. Here minus 8 into 4. Negative integer, positive integer. So we get a negative integer. 8 4s are 32. So left hand side value is minus 32. What is the right hand side? Minus 8 into 6. So minus 8 into 6 minus negative integer and positive integer. Negative integer into positive integer is negative integer. 8 6 are 48. Next here minus 8 into 2. Negative integer and positive integer is negative integer. 8 2s are 16. Here minus 16. Here minus 48. Minus into minus plus 16. So different sign. Here minus 48 plus 16. Different sign we have to subtract. Put biggest number sign. So subtract 48 to 16. 32. So biggest number sign is minus 32. Now, so left hand side is minus 32. Right hand side is minus 32. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So minus 8 into 6 minus 2 equal to minus 8 into 6 minus minus 8 into 2. The next one is multiplication by 0. For any integer a into 0, we get the answer is 0. So a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. For example, any integer minus 8 into 0 is equal to 0. The next one is multiplicative identity. For any integer a multiplied by 1, we get a same integer. So a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. So the division. For all integers a. A divided by 1 is equal to a. A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus a. A divided by 0. Any number divided by 0, the value is not defined. Any number is divided by 0 is not defined. The next exercise 1.3. I will explain a few sums. Remaining sums, do it yourself. The first one, find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. Product means multiply. The first one is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. Here one number is positive integer, another one number is negative integer. So the product of positive integer and negative integer is, the answer is negative integer. So 3 1 is 3. The answer is minus 3. The next B question, minus 21 into minus 30. Minus 21 into minus 30. Here product of two negative integer is positive integer. Product of two negative integer is, answer is positive integer. Now we multiply 21 into 30. 21 into 30. Here put on 0. 1 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 630. J question, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here first you multiply these two. Minus 3 into minus 6. Here negative integer, here also negative integer. The product of two negative integer is positive integer. So 6 3s are 18. Here minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 2 1 is 2. The next you multiply these two. Here also positive integer, here also positive integer. So the answer also positive integer. So 18 into 2, 36. So the answer is 36. Fifth question, find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. A1, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Using suitable properties, find the product. Here these two terms, here totally two terms is there. So these two terms minus 48 and here also minus 48. So minus 48 is a common. So take A value is minus 48. Here B, this is also C. So A into B plus A into C. Using the property, distributive property, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Using this distributive property over addition, here A value is minus 48 into B value is 26, A into B plus C value is minus 36. The next step, minus 48 plus 26 plus into minus 36. The next minus 48 into plus 26 minus 36. Different sign. We have to subtract biggest number to smallest number. So 36 minus 26 is 10. Biggest number is minus 10. So minus 48 into minus 10. So here both are negative integer. The product of negative integer is positive integer. So the answer is positive integer. 48 into 10. The answer is 480. The next F question, 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 2. Here using distributive property, A into B minus C. So A value is 7, B value is 50, and C value is 2. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C using distributive property. So A into B, A value is 7, A into B, 7 into 50, A into B minus A into C, 7 into 2. So 7 into 50, 7 into 50 is 350. So minus 7 into 2, 7 2 is 14. Here 350 is a minus 14. So one number is positive, another number is negative. So different sign, we have to subtract biggest number to smallest number. So 350 minus 14. So the answer is 336. The sixth one, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? So the given present room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So present room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So decreasing the temperature every hour. So every hour the temperature is decreasing is 5 degree Celsius. Decreasing the temperature every hour is 5 degree Celsius. Room temperature, what is the question? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? Now the room temperature after 10 hours is, present room temperature is 40 degree Celsius plus 10 hours. After the 10 hours, 10 into, so minus 5 degree Celsius. So minus 5 degree Celsius means decreasing, so only, so minus 5 degree Celsius. Here 40 degree Celsius plus 10 into 5. 10 5s are 50, plus into minus, minus 50 degree Celsius. Here 40 degree Celsius minus 50 degree Celsius is equal to, big different sign. We have to subtract biggest number to smallest. 50 minus 40 is 10. Biggest number is minus. So minus 10 degree Celsius. The room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degree Celsius after the process begins. I give 5 questions. Do it yourself.